good news, Lenovo Z5 arrives officially with the notch and Snapdragon 636 on June 5, 2018. The Lenovo Z5 was just announced in China. The phone did not live up to the expectations of a true bezel-less experience and brought a notch on the top, a chin on the bottom of the screen, a Snapdragon 636 chipset and an average dual camera setup. The processor has 8 Creo, clocked at 1.8 GHz, coupled with an Adreno 509 GPU. There are 6 GB of RAM as the only option, but at least there is a choice between 64 GB and 128 GB storage. Lenovo followed the trend of branding everything with L, and now the dual camera is 16MP 8MP without capabilities. The selfie camera is in the cutout of the display, and has an 8-megapixel sensor that is also artificially intelligent, bringing machine learning of the face shape. The Lenovo Z5 arrives with 3300 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging through a USB-C port. As promised, it has ZUI 4.0, the very same interface that was previously seen in the ZUK smartphones. It is based on Android 8.0 Oreo, but Lenovo VP Changcheng promised an update to Android P once the OS is announced. Lenovo Z5 with 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage is priced at 1,299 yuan, which is around Indian rupees 13,700 on conversion. The 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage model costs 1,799 yuan. Indian rupees 18,800 approximately. Lenovo Z5 will go on sale in China from June 12. Some specifications: display 6.20-inch, processor octa-core, front camera 8 megapixel, resolution 1080x 2246 pixels, RAM 6 GB, Android version, Android 8.1, storage 64 GB, rear camera 16 megapixel, battery capacity 3300 mAh.